Good morning, everybody. How is everybody doing? I hope you guys are having a great day today. I'm feeling great. Hopefully, we get some banger trades today. We do have news in 15 minutes, so let's see what we will be seeing. Let's check out our resources. First thing is first, guys. You always want to check your resources. Make sure you're not getting caught off guard with any last minute news, any unnecessary uh, economic events. So let's check Forex Factory. That's the first one I always like to check just to make sure we have any yellow folder new events or red folder events. How's everybody been? I hope you guys have all had a great month of July. New month, guys. So new goals, new achievements, and let's kill it. Let's get them going. So we'll just invite everybody here from Instagram real quick, from the Discord community, guys. If you guys aren't part of this Discord community and you're new here, check out the link in the bottom or in the comment section. It's a free community with well over 350 traders. We all share knowledge, trade ideas, signals. We do giveaways once a month. So check it out, guys. You guys definitely won't miss out. New York session live. Boom. With the live stream. Do you have an intuitive? Okay, we got that going on. Um, all right, so we got ADP non-farm employment change. We do have NFP on Friday, guys. Remember, NFP is the first Friday of every month, so that will be interesting. But we have non-farm employment change. Let's check this out real quick. Estimated change in the number of employed people during the previous month. So previous month was at 497,000. Now we're forecasting 191,000. Big difference. 300,000 difference. Um, okay, this data provides an early look at employment growth, usually 2 days ahead of government released employment data that is designed to mimic. Job creation is an important leading indicator of consumer spending. Okay, so it pretty much analyzes payroll and employment change. Nice. Do we have any other news aside from this today? We have 7 8. Let me go here. Um, let's do this. YouTube. Copy. Okay. Boom. All right, let's check Finviz now, guys. Finviz. That's like another resource, another website that I like to look at. The reason why here, as you can see, in the subheading, you have Forex, you have futures, you have crypto. So you can even backtest here. You have also all your you have your indices up here. You can see how they're performing on a 1 day relative performance. Um, they tell you how they're doing with their SMAs, with the RSI being if we're overbought, if we're oversold, and you also get to take a look at all the stocks here, at all the tickers on the screen. So not that stocks are important, but to me, who someone who trades New York session, I trade gold. Gold correlates with the dollar sometimes, meaning that well, it acts as an inverse pair to the dollar, meaning if the dollar is going up, gold's typically going down, and vice versa. So since I'm constantly looking at the dollar, I truly feel like, well, I know also based off certain analyzations that I've made, that when indices are also performing a certain way, the dollar will be performing a certain way. And at the end of the day, the dollar is the currency of the base currency of the country that I live in. So it's definitely important for me to take a look at the stocks and know what the markets are doing as well. Um, that being said, let's take a look at Forex. Let's check out all our Forex based pairs, see how they're performing against the US dollar. As you guys can see, the US dollar is a little strong today. It's performing bullish. We are outperforming other pairs. As you can see, AUD bearish against USD, USD CHF bullish, USD CAD bullish. GU is not, it's indecisive. It seems like Euro USD a bit indecisive. USD GPY. We are bullish against the JPY. Well, actually bearish, guys. I'm sorry. Where else? NZD USD, we are bearish as well. Bitcoin 29573 for any Bitcoin traders, and we have gold at 1988 on a one-day relative performance. So I think current price on gold is at 1950 though. So let's take a look at in our last resource, investing.com. Why do I like investing.com? It gives you your major indices, right? You go, you check it out, take a glance at it. I trade Nasdaq sometimes, and I'm in a US 30 position at the moment as we speak. So it's important for me to know what these indices are doing. Where are we closing? Where are we opening? So let's see here. We have on Nasdaq we have a negative 0.43% change, and on Dow, which is pretty much is US 30, we have a plus 0.2% change. All right, dollar index is trading at 102. Let's take a look now that we've taken a look at our fundamentals. Guys, this only takes 10 minutes is what it took us to take a glance at the fundamentals. I know we are technical traders, or at least most of us are technical traders, but don't ignore the fundamentals. The fundamentals are a big part of trading. Be open to it. You can use it to your advantage when there's volume, when there's no volume. If why would you want to trade? Why would you want to get in a trade if there's heavy, heavy, heavy news, red folder action news? Just let the markets react, and then you can get in. It's pretty much a gamble before the news. But talking about the news, let's go take a look at our pairs. Maybe we can predict a move so that we can let the markets react. And once that our trade idea starts to hit, maybe we can get on board after the markets have reacted. First pair I want to take a look at the DXY, guys. DXY. Let's see how the DXY is doing. So we're trading at 102,200, right around there. We are in a daily time frame. We do seem to be at a trading at a level of support, on the daily level of support. Let's see what else we've got here. Let's check out the weekly real quick. We are also bearish. As you guys can see, we are failing to break market structure to the upside. We are just on a downward trend. We have our higher highs over here and our lower lows down here. So based off the pattern that we're seeing here, as you guys can take a look here, we've only been making lower highs and lower lows. Although we failed to make a new low here, but we did make it here. Now we could expect to make now a lower high, but where will our lower high hit? Will it hit 103, 104, or will it possibly even hit 105? Let's see. Time will tell. But I don't expect us to keep. If we respect these previous highs over here, we should be able to make our lower high right around here, and then continue to test 100 levels. So yeah, on DXY we are looking bearish so far. We are seeing some bullish action at the moment, especially here on this 4-hour time frame. We are in a bullish trend at the moment. We don't have any. We do. Might have a possible trend line, but I don't think so. We've been testing the trend line already. We could see breakout of trend line. If we do see a breakout of trend line, it'd be a breakout of support. So we could see a nice massive move to 101. Let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame real quick. There's not a lot of volume as you guys can see. We have a lot of indecisive candles, bullish bulls fighting bears. Not much volume in yet. Maybe the volume will start to kick in once the news kicks in, along with New York recession market open. Let's take a look at gold real quick now. So I did draw up this trend lines on gold, just to see if it keeps respecting it, to see how it plays out. I'm not 100% sure yet that it's accurate, although it's been playing out correctly, because we do have multiple touches, right? We have our first touch being up top over here. We have our second touch, third touch, fourth touch. So what we could expect is for a fifth touch. Now, will the fifth touch be a breakout or will it be a rejection? Now we are at 1951 at the moment. This current daily candle has no bottom wick, and we have 8 hours left for this daily candle to flip. Will we flip bearish? Not sure, but I could tell you that we are kind of at an equilibrium level here on gold, right? Um, we also want to see it break this area of support for the sells for a nice massive move to the downside, and we could possibly, if we break out of that level, we could possibly see 1900 levels again. But before that, I want to see 1925. If we break 1925, then I could expect 1900 levels. Now, we are a bit consolidated at the moment. We also see here gold is, yesterday we did have some a bullish rally, but for the moment we seem to be retracing a little bit. So let's see how much longer we can retrace. I believe news is coming out in 1 minute, guys. Let's take a look at that real quick. Let's see how the news will be released. Doesn't seem like there's a lot of volume in here yet. All right, waiting, we're waiting, guys, patiently waiting. We're waiting 18 seconds for the news. Hey, what's up? What's up? How's everybody here? Anybody who's here, how's everybody doing? Hope you guys are all having a great day so far. All right, so the news is being released right now as we're speaking. Pending, we have pending news. Let's see what the actual data is. Oh, okay, we're starting to see some 1946. A lot of volume at the moment, guys. A lot of volume. Okay, so it seems like the news is bearish for gold, guys. The DXY should possibly be shooting up. We have a actual data of 324,000, so not so good for gold. A little strong, bearish for the DXY. So I won't be getting in any positions on gold yet. We will wait for the news to let the news react. Let's see how we play out this trend line and at this level of support first. Let's check out other pairs real quick. How is US 30 doing? US 30, I don't think we should see US 30 get impacted much by this news yet until market open. Let's check out NASDAQ real quick. NAS 100. This trend line, let's remove this trend line. It wasn't too valid. And let's go to the daily real quick. Will we break here? Will we break? Very interesting level we're at. Sort of like at a no trade range at the moment, but let's see. Let's just be patient, guys. It is only 8:15 so far. So what else we got? What else? Let's go back to gold real quick. Gold's moving. Gold's the one with the most volume. Peace out. Gold's the one with the most volume at the moment. All right, gold's retracing back. 1948. Turning a bit indecisive there. I just like ads, guys. I don't know why we have ads, but we gotta have them. Guys, let me blow my nose real quick. I'm a little stuffy. All right, let's go check out our lower time frames that we have not done that yet so far. And we seem to be respecting a level of resistance. Will we flip though? The question is, will we flip? If we flip, we could possibly see a nice. Well, guys, also another thing I wanted to add. You guys remember, every time that the news is released, the first move that comes out isn't always the most factual move, right? Meaning, there's a good possibility right now that what we're seeing is a fake out. But I don't think, based off the data that we saw, it is a fake out. So we could see price retrace, retest, and then possibly continue with this move, right? Also, we do have for a 4 hour candle closure, we do have 39 minutes left, guys. You guys know I love waiting for those 4 hour candle closures. So let's see, let's wait it out a little bit. Yeah, there's a lot of volume, guys, on gold. Well, not a lot of volume, but more than I anticipated. Let's check out Nasdaq real quick. Nasdaq, am I seeing something right here? I think I am. Possible trend line. I don't think it's too valid. That looks better though. Let's check out. I don't. I don't know. Let's see here. Mm, well, we see a bearish engulfing candle on Nasdaq. If we do get in, we could possibly get in. If we were to get in there, let's zoom in a little bit. Have a tight stop loss. It could be one trade idea. Let's check out the 30-minute time frame. How we're trading. We could also even test this warrior right over here. Question is, will we be losing this bearish momentum that we've got going on? And can this be a little retest for a bullish run? Let's wait for candle closures, guys. Let's wait for candle closures. We do have a little range here, by what I'm seeing. Little minor range. And we also have the 4-hour candle closing pretty bullish, so we don't really want to get in that trade yet. Not too clean. We don't have all our confirmations all there. The daily is also doesn't look too good for us, but we did fail to break previous highs over here. So we could see. Let's just wait for a 4-hour candle closure, guys. Nasdaq, so we took care of that. US 30, um, US 30 is kind of weird. It's been weird for these past days. I'm in this trade at the moment, right? I got in at the top right over here. I got in for the retest out of this breakout of trend line. Um, as you guys can see, breakout. Let me put this guy right here. Um, we came up, we broke out. So now I took the retest, and then I'm trying to catch this whole move and more. I really want this whole move, but it seems like it's not happening yet so far. So we just gotta be patient on this. We could possibly the daily. The daily is looking so far pretty good. I do like the fact that we're respecting this level over here. So let's see. Let's just keep being patient, guys. If I were to get in here, no, I would rather get in with the safe sales down below 35,250. That's where I would really rather get in. Let's see what our position is currently at. Okay. Let's check out the 30. Let's check out the 1 hour real quick. We could see a nice downside move to 35,400. Let's check out. Let's go back to gold. Gold at 1947. So it seems like the bearish move could possibly happen soon. $30 left for the 4 hour candle closure. Still nothing yet at the moment. No, thank you. There you go. Put this phone to charge. So how's everybody? How's everybody been? Uh, I haven't been live streaming much, guys. I'm sorry for that. I'm currently on vacation. I'm currently in Ecuador. Um, might be moving out here for a couple months. So I've been trying to get a whole lot of things situated, along with relaxing a bit. But I love it here, man. I always feel like this is second home. This is home away from home, guys. And like, look at this. It's literally like this. You see this picture right here? It's literally like that. You've got a whole plantation filled with cacao, which is chocolate. You've got horses here, ATVs. There's a lot to do around here. There's a lot to do here. It's just, it also humbles me. You know, I'm used to Miami. I'm used to paying U.S. prices. I'm used to taking things for granted. You know, not finishing my food and just like throwing it away. Buying expensive shit for no reason. Going out, clubbing, like doing stupid stuff. Doing things that really aren't isn't gonna make help me grow. But coming here and it helps me take a look at my life from a different perspective. Makes me appreciate the things I've got. Um, be appreciative of the things you got, guys. You know, life is short. Live every day to your fullest. Do the things you can't. You know, um, do the things people tell you you can't do. Do the things that you've thought you can't do. Do the things you won't do. Those are, live life, guys. That being said, guys, I hope we all have a great day today. I hope we all have a great month. It's a new month, new goals, new achievements to be reached, reach new heights, push yourself forward, push yourself to be great. Don't settle for less. Remember your worth, your value, guys. But I'm happy. I can really say I'm happy, and I love that. So I hope you guys are happy too, guys. And remember, if things aren't working out for you, don't give up. Just because it's not working out today doesn't mean it won't work out tomorrow. I just felt like saying a little something motivating there while we wait for some volume to kick in, right, guys? So let's see. I don't know if this trend line is really valid, to be honest. This bottom one does seem more valid. And we could possibly, if we, let's see, if we were to go based off how much of a pip difference are we talking about from here? 30 pips. 30 pips. 30 pip difference. Now, the reason why I'm seeing that is because if we were to take the buys, I would want to see it reject down here. So my 30 pips could be this 30 pips of this area over here versus here. Here, where this, it's our stop loss has higher probabilities of getting hit. But if we put 30 pips coming from here, we have lower probabilities that our stop loss will get hit. In order for it to get hit, we'd have to see a breakout and candle closures below. We could see. Let's see. We still have 26 minutes left for the 4 hour candle closure, guys. Let's just practice patience for now. There's no need to rush getting in a trade. There wasn't much volume with this news too, guys. I don't know if you guys noticed. Prices on 1950, 1951 max before the news came out. The news came out, and we only saw it move 30 to 40 pips. Um, I don't recall last ADP employment change news, but 30, 40 pips is not it, guys. So maybe we start to get some more movement with New York session, New York Open. These cells though, these cells are looking a little bit juicy though. I'm not gonna lie. Now, guys, I also didn't want to take the cells up here because when price was up here, news was in the process of being released. Um, I'm not a news trader, guys. Many of you guys who know me will understand that. Will already understand that. To those who don't know me and are new to this channel, guys, I'm a 4 hour support and resistance trader, right? That's why I'm waiting 22 minutes for the 4 hour candle closure. Aside from that, every time there's news, I'm not a fan of taking the news just for the simple fact that you know we live in tough times, tough market conditions these days where a certain news gets released and you're expecting one thing and another thing happens. Therefore, I'd rather not trade the news. I'd rather just wait. I kind of see trading news like a gamble, really. And it's not my type of style of trading. It's not in my trading plan. It's not in my trading rules as well. So, therefore, won't trade news. Now, what I would do is I'll wait for, like right now, we're waiting for the price to choose a direction. And then once price chooses a direction after the news has been released, then I'll get in as long as I have my confluences. But if not, I won't get in. Are you guys in any trades? What up, Emmett? I just saw that, bro. Damn. I hope Emmett's still here. What's up, bro? We all watching, waiting for the signal. What up, Emmett? Emmett, bro. I fucking miss you, bro. What up, Lacey? Yo, sorry I'm late. Had court. Nah, bro, you're good. You're not late. You're not late. I hope you guys are still here. I'm not sure if you guys are still here now. But Emmett, I haven't spoken to you in a minute, bro. I got excited when I saw you. As the way I'm streaming, guys, I don't have my monitors here, so I typically can see every screen. Right, I have like one chart up, then I have like the chat up on the other side, then I have like my Discord on another screen. So, but right now I'm only operating based off one screen only. So I literally have to like. That's why you guys see me moving like tabs through my Mac. I'm trading based out on my laptop, so it's a little less efficient for me to use my computer. I miss my setup, but the way I'm gonna have my setup now. I think I'm gonna trade live here from like Tuesday through Thursday. I'll be trading live here at the farm. So I think I'm gonna connect it like on one end of the so like on that end of the table. This is a dining room table, but I'm gonna try to connect it there. I don't think it will let me though, just because of how thick the table is. But we'll try it. We'll give it a go because I need my two monitors. I definitely want to be able to interact with you guys. And then, yeah, I like the back. I like the portraits and all that shit. Evan, if you're still here, bro, you gotta get this. This is pretty dope. This mighty uh, vaporizer. That's a good point. I waited after the Fed announcement and got in after a good position after gold hit its peak and started to slide. Yeah, especially with Fed announcements. Those Fed announcements, those typically have higher volume. But with ADP, not really, not much. But Emin, I'm definitely gonna have to join. I'm definitely gonna have to join one of your Zen labs. I see what you guys are doing. You guys are doing a lot of great things. It sounds so. I love the name, bro. The Zen lab, so like calming and. But what will gold do here? Gold's just here. Patience, guys. We have 18 minutes left for a 4-hour candle closure. Um, there's not much. Let's see what the DXY is doing. Since we're just taking a look at our pairs at the moment, DXY. Okay, this is what this is what I want to see from the DXY, right? I want to see it start to break out of the previous price. Hopefully, we can continue to push with some nice bullish volume to the upside. We have this trend line here that I'm still iffy about if we're looking at the DXY being bullish, right? Now, assuming we do respect this trend line, because we have tested it already multiple times, we broke out of it once. But assuming this trend line is valid, we are seeming like it could be respecting this trend line, also this respecting and rejecting this area of support. this daily level of support. My horizontal lines, which are blue, indicate daily level support, weekly level support, higher time frames levels of support. And then my horizontal rays, which are the red lines, they indicate shorter time frame levels of support, or even possible price entries depending on the pair, exit points, TP2, TP3 stuff, like having those levels where I'm expecting price to get to. I like planning my trades, guys. When you plan your trades, you know, you got to have an exit strategy, an entry strategy, know where you're willing to break even, where you're willing to secure some profits, where would you even add positions. And these are also levels where you're expecting price to sort of reject or break out of. So if price doesn't go the way you were expecting, you can react a certain way. And it helps me take my trades more serious too, because I'm putting all this time planning into these trades. I'm not just gonna trade however, or like get in a certain way, whether I'm gambling or drunk or not right. So therefore, I like taking the time. It helps me take it more serious. But let's see if the DXY can continue to break out. I want to see let's see the shorter time frames. It's 1 hour closing in 60 minutes. Hopefully we don't respect this minor level of resistance we've got here. And hopefully we don't retest, right? I don't want to see us retesting. Now, so that gold cells could play out. The gold cells, I really like those gold cells. It seems like it has a more potential than the buys. But buys, we could possibly secure 40 pips, 30 pips on them. Let's go back to gold. I want to see that. Oops, wrong broker. 1945. So this is what I mean, guys. Right? If we were to execute buys, right? If I were to want to execute buys, I at first it'd be at the bottom of the range, right? All the way at the bottom. That's why I want to get in. I want to wait 30 pips. That's my objective here. Wait 30 pips. I want to see what price does after 30 pips. I want to see if we start to break out of that 1942 level. I want to see if we start to get candle closures below 1942. Um, will we create a range below 1942? Based off those confirmations that I'm waiting to get, will determine what trade I get into, right? With gold, not too long ago, I used to have a bias. I used to have a bias on gold. I used to always think, gold I think is only gonna go up, so I'm only gonna look for buys, right? And when I say I used to have a bias, I'm talking about like recently, like 2 months ago, when it was having that bearish run. I would just buy and buy and buy and buy at certain levels after certain runs, right? Because I was seeing gold drop like 300, 400 pips, and I was just buying and buying, and it was going great. I was catching like massive trades, massive profits, massive winnings for not just myself, but for a lot of people. So it gave me the confidence that what I was doing was working. But then I came to, like all runs come to an end at some point. Um, you'd be ignorant to think not, right? It's just like the gambler who thinks he's on a run. He just keeps spending more and more and more and more, upscaling on his positions, doubling down. You know that thinks his run is not going to come to an end, right? You got to always have in mind your run is going to come to an end. But with gold, looking at a high time frame perspective, that's why I was like so caught up on that idea that we're just gonna buy, because if you look at gold on a weekly and a monthly level, right? Gold is has only been going up, first of all, since it's came out, right? Sort of like the S&P 500. That's why a lot of people tell you, if to for your retirement, when you have a Roth IRA, when you have all these 401k, buy the S&P 500, buy ETFs, right? S&P has only been going up. But with gold, we've also been we haven't really broken market structure to the downside yet. We haven't we respected this 1900 level. We tested, I think, 1889, 1887, or 1892 was what the price that we tested, but we didn't really get candle closures down below. I think we got one monthly candle. Yeah, in 1982 we got one monthly candle closure or two down there, um, but we couldn't maintain to trade at that level. Now we're back in the 1950 levels, but yet we couldn't get to the 2000 levels, right? Our highest being 1986. We just consolidated in between 2000 and 1900. So we had also tested record highs. We got to 2068. So because we got to 26, guys, by the way, price is still at 1946, so still in that little range. So we're good so far. But since it got to this 2067 rate area, we tested it twice. We were trading at that level. It was looking like a triple top. Um, and I just anticipated price breaking out of it soon. But I think we will break record highs just around the corner. And by around the corner, I'm talking about a couple months down the line. Maybe not in a couple weeks, but definitely not days, but months. A year for sure, maybe, but more likely less than a year, I would say. And we also have elections around the corner, guys. Elections are around the corner. That will definitely, the elections will definitely impact the dollar and gold price. Let's see what type of president we're gonna have. Um, how is it a president who's gonna boost the markets, or is it a president who's just gonna not know what to do with the markets? That's gonna impact our country, the U.S., a lot. So definitely expect something from gold there. But I am bullish overall. But yeah, guys, that's why I stopped having my little bias decisions, because it really did hurt me at some point. I was just losing when I would keep buying and buying and buying and buying. But that's why you always gotta leverage you always gotta use your leverage correctly, guys. Because if you leverage correctly, um, I was with like I said with 100K accounts, I was just only putting like one lot. So I would in order to burn my account, I would have to lose a shit ton of pips. Um, Makes sense. Makes sense. Is anybody in any trades at the moment? Are you guys in any trades yet? On the weekly, we also have this. Oh look, this trend line seems valid on the weekly as well. Now the weekly, another reason why I'm bearish on the weekly, also now that I'm looking at it, we did make newer lows, right? Once we broke out of this level of support, weekly level of support, we made new lows. Now we're here making new lower highs. Now we tested previous weekly highs, right? Weekly candle highs, but we didn't get candle closures above those prices. Also, for the past few weeks, price has also been failing to break previous weekly high. So we could see with price already testing the last week's low, we could see price just break out of that. We do have 2 days and 9 hours left for the weekly candle closure, but it is at a level of support, and it is trading near previous weekly low. So let's see, guys. let's see, we could expect, and if we do see a breakout of 1941, we could anticipate price to get to possibly, let's take a look to the left. We could expect price to possibly trade at 1915 again and test that level. But we've just been consolidated for the past weeks. This is a huge range of consolidation. You look to the left, look how many times we've consolidated near this level. We are trading above 1900, so far still bullish. Um, let's see. Let's go to the daily. The daily, if the daily flips as well, guys. Um, there's a couple ways to play this, right? This isn't like, so it's sort of like similar trading to those 15, 30 minute time frames, but not with the same time, of course, right? So this trade might play out later, more later than sooner. So that's why I would rather wait for daily, wait the 8 hours to get in a daily position to be able to swing those positions from 1942 to 1915. Um, when I'm trading based off the 15, 30 minute time frames, I'm pretty much just me trying to get a precise entry based off my 4 hour trade, and then possibly be in the trade for like 15 minutes, 30 minutes is the goal. But if it takes longer than that, it's hopefully because we're in profit, not in a range. Typically try to get out of those rangy situations just because it's not what I was expecting. But let's see, gold is just here in this range. I want to see it do something. But we did have a nice rejection off of 1954. What are our other pairs doing? We have 6 minutes left for 4 hour candle closure. Let's check out NAS 100. This trade idea, it's not playing out so far. This is why we wait, guys. Well, actually, I don't know. I don't know if it's been playing out or not. I don't know if it possibly hit my stop loss. But all I know is that this trade idea, I gave it around three, yeah, like a 35 point, which is 356 pips, um, which is pretty small, guys. By the way, um, stop loss cushion, but we so far we would just have been in drawdown for the past. Yeah, we would just have been in drawdown. Um, Now I am seeing something. We could execute it soon, actually. We did test. We did get a nice candle closure. This could be a retest. All right, let's wait 4 minutes. I'm gonna wait 4 minutes, guys. We could see a trade with Nasdaq more likely than gold. Gold. Let's just get a recall again. Let's just take a look at it one more time. If something plays out later, we could catch it later. But it's just consolidated in 1946. Traded 100 pips in today's morning so far, before news till after news, and then we're just here. Okay, okay. See, what I don't like with gold is that, let's say we were to get into sales, right? We're 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 we're, we're selling at the bottom pretty much, right? I want to sell at the top, not at the bottom, and then we could possibly win off of 15 to 25 pips, but on Nasdaq we can win more, right? At least it seems like the risk to reward is more rewarding off on Nasdaq, because we could reject this low right here. We could reject support, so we only have pretty much 40 pips to play with, and then we can still And then we can still test this whole rangy area, which is like a 40 pip range. So this could play out for like a 1-to-1. But let's take a look at NASDAQ again. All right, 3 minutes left. NASDAQ, we could expect to catch at least a 1-to-1 is definitely probably. This could be a nice 1-to-2 trade, guys, and really possibly even a 1-to-2.35 trade. Versus on gold, it'd be like a 1-to-1 trade. And this trade has the potential to become also a 1-to-4.5 trade. So heck, once my trade hits like 1-to-1, I'm putting my stops to break even most likely. Try to go for the 1-to-2. But let's see. We have 1 minute 32 seconds. If the trade goes without me, it goes without me. If I get the candle closure there, I think I'll see how the next candle opens, and then I want to see it open bullish first, create a nice top wick, and then possibly execute off the flip. What's US 30 doing real quick? Let's check that out. So far, my US trade is playing out so far. I forgot what my entry on US 30 is. I think it's at 5.545, something like that. Got it in a couple days ago. It's a position that I'm swinging. Um, I've been in it. I've been in this whole range though. Let's go back to as 100 since we already got a 4-hour candle closure. Hold on, 1 more minute. Yeah, 35 pips is also something nice to like, cushion to be able to breathe. All right. I'm not gonna get in here, guys. Just cause if I get in here and I'm having to move my stop loss. I really like my stop loss where it's currently at, right? So I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna wait for price to come back and test my entry level, my target entry, right? If it doesn't hit my target entry, I'm not gonna get in. This trade can go without me. If I were to get in here though, let me see something. I would do this. Let's see what type of risk reward we're playing with. But I would have my stop loss. Even I would have a tighter stop loss, 26 pips. 26 260 pips. Okay. I can deal with this. I can still see a 1-to-1 trade. I still like it over here at the top though. Gold. Let's take a look at gold while we wait. While we wait for NAS to play out in the meantime, gold is trading at 1944. Yeah, we see we could have secured 30 pips already on gold, but the other trade looks like a better, like more satisfying trade. So let's see what we're gonna do here. All right, on gold, I would rather catch the safe sells down below 1942. See, we also have a minor level of support here on gold that I'm seeing. Let me just go to a 30-minute time frame. Let's see what it does between 1944 and 1942. Let's see also how it reacts with this trend line. Remember, guys, this trend line comes from the daily time frame. So also valid on the weekly time frame. So definitely will be seeing if it just breaks out of it or if it just respects it. Um, who's the best pick? Who's the best pick? Them or Rep, bro? Uh, can't really answer that. I'll tell you why. I haven't really been following up with both parties, to be honest with you. Um, I know also that I'm a Republican. You know, I at least vote as Republican. But then again, there in politics, I have a bias. I would say, right now, if I don't think I would vote for like if I don't know. I just agree more with Republican point of views. You know, and and the bills they propose, I disagree with them more. Um, so yeah, I would say best pick from it would be a Rep, but obviously, like I said, I have a bias because that's the party I, I go for. No trades, fire. Same here. Hopefully, we get one though. Gold respecting that minor level of support so far. Nasdaq. Let's see what Nasdaq is at. Can't lose focus with Nasdaq. Okay, so did we ever? This was last 15. Okay, we haven't even gotten up here yet. We could look. We're seeing possible 15-minute breakout, guys. So, so far it's playing out so good. But I want to see a breakout of this. Let me go get my phone so I can get ready to execute this trade. Oh, alright, getting ready to take this trade, guys. But so far, it's we just gotta be patient, guys. Let's check out. Let's check out the 30-minute real quick. See now, also that previous 30-minute candle seems a bit indecisive too. So that's another thing that I want to be cautious with. There. We have no top wick on this 30-minute. No top wick on this 1 hour, so we could possibly see. Wait a minute. We've only been bearish with this new open. Let me see what we're dealing with here. 1-to-1 at least. Yeah, the 1-to-1 is there. Okay. Check out gold. Gold. Gold's. Gold wants to get into this little range here. Hopefully, this is in an area where there's liquidity. It could possibly be though. Look how much liquidity there was at this level. A lot of reaction here as well. Tell you what, these buyers have potential too. You could see something there, but uh, if I were to catch the buyers, I would want to catch it at 19. I want to see it reject 1941. I don't want to see candle closures to the downside. Let's go to the 15-minute. 15-minute. We are also nearing New York market open, so we could see volume start to kick in. Yes, one. You know what's one thing I don't like about the farm? It's always hot here, man. Yeah. Now we're talking. I'm under sweating bullets inside, but I don't have to. US 30 is playing out pretty nice. 35,606 is my entry on US 30, but I didn't get in that today. I got in that like, I want to say 2 days ago. I got in that position on Monday. Monday, yeah. But I'm holding this trade for. I don't mind holding it just because I'm anticipating price to come over here to 35,255 and possibly re-enter if we can continue to move to the downside and target 34,410. Let me hold on, guys. Fernando, buenos días. Sorry, guys. All right, let's go back to gold. Yo, it's funny. It's funny. So over here, this is why I say, guys, I appreciate the things that I do more than I don't, because for the simple fact that you know I was just speaking to one of the guys here who takes care of the horses, and was like, hey, so what have you been up to today? Because I wanted to go ride a horse with him. And I was like, no, I've been working this whole time, So just let me know. Just whenever you saddle up the horses, just knock on the door, and I'll ride with you. And he's like, what are you working in? You're not doing shit. I'm like, no, I trade I trade. And he's like, what do you mean trade? I'm like, yeah, like I trade for foreign exchange, and I trade like commodities and metals and shit like that. He's like, oh, so you could trade from like your phone? I'm like, yeah, like I could trade on my laptop, on my phone. But yeah, I've been up since 6 a.m. working just on the computer. He's like, oh yeah, that's pretty cool. And I'm like, sometimes it's like, for example, when I don't live stream, guys, when I don't live stream, and then I live stream, and I'm live streaming here, like, I appreciate this more, and I'm like, damn, like I'm very fortunate to be able to be working from my computer anywhere, and then when I don't work as much on my computer, like I'm eating shit. Excuse my foul language, but it's the truth. Um, Unless I'm busy with projects and stuff, but I'm not. But in regards to the channel, I am. I definitely want to give you guys more content. I'm working on a vlog as well, a little Ecuador trip vlog for you guys, so you guys can enjoy this trip with me. I want you guys to enjoy it with me because I think about you guys a lot. You know, everybody here in this channel, everybody who's supportive, everybody I work with outside of this, everybody who follows. I think about you guys a lot, and you guys are part of the reason why I do the things I do. Um, Nas 100. But yeah, I want you guys to definitely enjoy the trip with me. I want you guys to see where I come from, what inspires me, what makes me who I am, and my roots pretty much. Definitely cool. I'm definitely giving you guys more content I am posting a video later today, expected around 4 p.m. Eastern time. I am dropping a video, so it will be definitely a cool video. Just a little video regarding Forex. Nothing regarding lifestyle or nothing regarding anything outside of trading. Just little trading video. So far I'm glad that we've been patient off of this trade, guys. To be honest with you, we'd be in drawdown at the moment. I didn't notice that we saw a breakout here of previous low, and then this new 15 minute is just in drawdown at the moment. So I'm glad I'm being patient. There's really nothing yet so far. Let's go down gold. Now this is gonna be there. XAU USD. Maybe I should put my socks on in case it tells me. Yeah, let's see. Gold's so far doing. So far it's just in that range. Let's see if hopefully we can see something nice out of it. What pair do you guys think has been moving the best? Do you think Nasdaq, gold, maybe maybe you thought US 30 is the best pair was the best pair to trade? Look at that. We're just seeing price reject that minor level of support. All right, let's go to 30-minute time frame. Those buys though, you guys imagine these buys would be the ones playing out. These buys would be massive. I'm telling you, there's a lot of liquidity around this area, but it's the same thing with it's the same thing with Nasdaq. Nasdaq was the one that we were waiting for the 30 pips. Um, had much rather wait the 30 pips than look. We could possibly catch our entry up here now. Thank God for waiting, right? But waiting those 30 pips could get you can save you that drawdown, or it could even help you just get not get clapped from a bad trade. I wanna say, can't you see? Da, 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 Look, guys, this is what I'm talking about. Just horses walking around. I don't know if you guys can see the horse, but pretty fire. Pretty fire. Fire. I love it out here, guys. I'm excited. I'm definitely coming here. I think I'm moving here beginning of October. October 10th, I think, is the day that I'll come out here. October 10th. is the day I'm moving out here. I'll be here for sure October, November, December for sure. Um, so let's see, guys. By the way, I will definitely. I wanted to. Okay, so I'm just gonna tell you the video that I'm dropping today. So the video that I'm dropping today is gonna be based off the ADP um, employment change numbers. In case some of you guys don't understand it as much, I want to touch that topic and sort of explain some a little bit more about it. Um, let's see, a couple minutes left. Guys, also I might be so I've partnered up with a couple people. And it's kind of been the reason why I've also kind of been off grid with the live streams because I might start introducing stock market trades in here. Not stock market trades, more like indices and well, I already trade indices, as you guys know, like Nasdaq and Dow. US 30 pretty much is Dow. So, but you'll probably start seeing like SQQQ, QQQ, maybe some spy plays. So yeah, guys, just little heads up. But we do have market open in 6 minutes, guys. Market open 6 minutes. Let's see what we'll be doing. What will we be doing in these next 6 minutes? We got volume kicking in at least. That's a good thing. I need a socks. I still can't find my socks. I wanna sing, can't you see? Take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. One Nasri, one Sagaria. What's up? Like the, I feel like you've been here before. In here, bro, 100% in trade gold with EA floating by for me. So I think those buys, if so, what you're in a position with buys like with like your EA. If the EA picked up on some buys for you on gold, then I think the gold is worth it. Those gold buys, bro. I'm telling you, liquidity there. We have a lot of liquidity around that area. But oh, 8:27, 2 minutes, 3 minutes left from market open, guys. Hopefully we see something real soon. Go on, get 'em one day. I'm starving. Or is it me or is it a trade? A trade. Okay, look, this one could possibly play out. Patience, patience. Not gonna get in out of impulse on a trade like that. This patience is gonna pay. 1 minute left. That level is holding pretty okay. Mm, Alright, guys, I'm in this trade. 15.55. 4 is my entry. 15.554.9 is my entry, guys. Let me go here. Entry 15.554.9. Oh shit. Nice. 1-to-one's about to hit. Um, guys, I'm not gonna put. You guys could put your. Wait a minute. 1-to-one hit, guys. You guys could put your stops to break even. TP1 hit. I'm putting my stops to break even for this trade. If I lose this trade, I'm gonna lose it and break even. Simple. Not gonna. Let me modify the TP1. TP1 hit. Okay, I'm not in this trade anymore, guys. My, oh no, still in it. My bad. You guys can see, I'm pretty much in break even though. I just never, it never hit the break even mark. All right. I don't know if you guys, if is anybody in this trade who took it with me that that put your stops to break even. Did yours hit? Curious now. All right. Let's see what we do. TP. Oh yeah. TP1 was 15.5549. 15.5549. TP2 will be 15.523. 15.523. And then TP3, let's see. TP2 hit. TP2 hit, guys. Let me see. Let me go here. TP2 smashed. All right, I'm closing my position, guys. 1.5. Um, just closed it, as you guys can see. If you guys want to hold this trade, make sure you guys can put your stop loss at TP1. So you guys could get stopped out in profit, or you guys could put it at break even, guys. Um, but yeah, nice trade, guys. Guys, this is what I mean. So I hope you guys saw and learned from this trade, whether you guys took it or not, whether you guys got stopped out at break even, whether you guys got out in profit. Let me modify this. If you guys are gonna get into this trade, TP3 will be 15.497. No, what? It will be 15.497. Yeah. Okay, it's just about a hit. So as you guys can see, guys, we just called a nice TP2 trade so far. This is TP3. Look at this. Risk reward 3 on NASDAQ. Called live on the YouTube. Check it out, guys. No drawdown. If you guys were in here, you guys would have known. No drawdown. That's how we do it. It's called a nice TP2 trade so far. This is TP3. Look at this. Risk reward 3 on NASDAQ. Called live on the YouTube. Check it out, guys. No, this is our ultimate demand signal. Nice, guys. TP3 is smashing literally as we speak. Well, not yet, but nice trade. Guys, who took it? Lacey, did you take it, Lacey? If you took it, post your profits on the Discord. Um, we'll definitely be meeting up today, by the way, Lacey. So after Red Horse, I'll give you I'll show you a text. But yeah, nice trade here. Stops. Anybody who's still in this trade doesn't want to get out. Stops should be at least at break even, guys. But so what I was telling you guys, we were patient, right? We waited. How long did we wait, guys? I think we've been waiting for the past 30 minutes to probably, I would say, no, an hour. We've been here. Well, we started live trading at 8, right? It's 9:39 at the moment. We've been here for an hour 40 minutes. We waited for the news to get released. We weren't planning on getting on any trades before the news. The news got released. We waited 45 minutes for a 4 hour candle closure. After waiting 45 minutes, we then waited another 15 minutes. So we've been waiting for like 45 minutes to an hour. Patience pays, guys. Patience pays. Wait for those breakout moments. Wait for those candle closures. Wait for confirmations. Have your confluences. Plan your trade. We literally planned this trade to the T, right? Original entry here on this trade was up top, right around here. We missed this trade, right? We saw a candle closure. We saw price start to break out already, and there was like 4 minutes left for a 15-minute candle closure. What did I tell you guys? That I was gonna wait. It was with this candle. I was gonna wait for this candle, the this bearish candle, to make a top wick, and then I was gonna execute there, right? I never got that entry, for because I waited. I never got that entry. I could have entered out of impulse and just said fuck it, but then I'm not sticking to my plan. I'm not sticking to my rules. I'm not being patient. I'm just trying. I'm trying to more force the trade to, go my way. And we're not here to force things. We're here to go with based off what the market gives us, right? So then I make another plan for another potential trade. I was like, I'm not gonna get in this trade at all. It can go without me. I'm only gonna get it up here, right? But then I was like, wait a minute. Let's plan this trade again. Where could the next re-enter be? Where can we possibly scale in our position if I were to have entered up top? Well, here we have a minor level of support. We were creating a range. We had created a range. This is the area to get in at. We were patient. Coincidentally, we were also talking based off another pair here, right? But I remember telling you guys, I didn't notice that this 15-minute broke out of previous low, and then now this 15-minute created a bottom wick. Now it's creating a top wick, you know, and we just waited for price to get back to this area over here. Now I did wait a little bit. I didn't enter out of impulse with the breakout. I did wait like a couple minutes, but ended up paying off, and we were still able to catch 780 pips, which is 78 points on Nasdaq. So we caught a nice 1-3 trade. It was pretty much almost a 1-3 trade. For me it was a 1-2 trade, but to those people who are in this trade still, you're pretty much almost at a 1-3 trade. It's like at a 1.275 trade. We waited, right? Let's check out gold. Gold is still in 1945. Good thing we did not get into sells. We'd be in drawdown. And if we would have gotten in the buys, we would just be there. I'm not trying to get in the trade to just be there. Not trying to get in a trade to be in drawdown. I'm trying to get a trade that is going to hit TP, of course. That's the objective of every trade, right? Good thing we were patient on gold as well. Paid off there as well. Just how it paid off in NASDAQ. And US 30 is doing good. Good thing we didn't take the sells. I was already in the sells. Seems like it's going back to break even. Um, we're just there. NASDAQ was our winning trade. We executed, guys. I'm really proud of this trade. Really good trade. Really satisfied with this, with the way this trade went, played out. Let's go here. Fire, Lacey. Let's go. Good shit. Lacey. So I'm gonna call it a live here. I will be posting a video, guys, for you guys soon. So stay tuned. Give me a couple hours, and then you'll see it. You'll see the notification. If anybody who's new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Turn your notifications on so you guys could be alerted whenever something new gets released. And Lacey, by the way, brother, congrats on the trade. We'll be meeting up soon later today. Peace out, guys. Thank you for guys putting up. Let's have a happy Wednesday, blessed Wednesday. Let's kill it. It's early in the day. Peace out, guys.